What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play Dirty Soda by Juice WRLD and Polo G. If you're new here, click that subscribe button and the notification bell, or else I'll backflip kick your face off into the universe. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new guitar, so if you want to find out how you can enter to win, stick around to the end of the video, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play the song. Okay guys, this song is in standard tuning and it's got one riff that just repeats throughout the entire song. As always, if you need the guitar tab, you can find a link for it in the video description, as well as a link to the free ebook titled Master the Guitar in 7 Days. If you need either of those, jump into the video description once you get done. They'll be there for you. We're going to start with index finger on low E on the 7th fret. Pluck that. Then D string 9th fret. G string 7th fret. Back to D string 9th fret. To G string 6th fret. Then go to 5th fret E, 7th fret D, 6th fret G, back to D, to 4th fret G. Then down to 3rd fret E, 5th fret D, 4th fret G, 5th fret D, 2nd fret G. And then finally you have this little run. It's D on 5, D on 4, A on 7, A on 5, A on 4, E on 7. And then everything starts over. Now to make it sound similar how they do in the song, they're palm muting the D string when they play it. So what you're doing there is you're putting the fleshy part of your hand here on the bridge of the guitar to give that muted sound. And they're lifting their hand back off to play the G string notes. There you have it, guys. I really hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please click that like button. You can click here for how you can win a free guitar. You can click here for more tutorials, and we'll see you guys in the next video.